Percocet, Miley Percocet, represent, gotta represent, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no bitch, mask on.
Hey you guys, in today's video we are going to be doing a lip swatch video. I haven't done one of these in about, let's say, a year and a half. I did the Urban Decay Hi-Fi glosses, and now I got some more affordable glosses. They are the NICKA color lip oil. They look like this. There are 10 colors. I'm going to be going through every color with you, but I'm not going to be talking about the colors because I'm really bad at describing colors. But I am going to swatch every single one for you on my lips today. I don't have one on right now because, you know, I just finished this tutorial, so stay tuned for that if it's not already up. They actually sent me these, so thank you NICKA for sending these. I'm so sorry it's been so long for me to try to get these up because of the fact that I have been so exhausted and so tired. Like, I just cannot catch up on sleep, but I have time today, so why not? These are the lip oils. There are 10 colors. They come in the little, this package reminds me, it's like the size of the soft matte lipsticks by NYX, and they are a 3-in-1 colored lip tint that nourishes, hydrates, and protects your lips. Pretty much a satin finish for plump, luscious, full lips. So I cannot wait to try these. I did try one on, I wore it, and it was pretty long wearing for it to be what it is. You'd think oil, not long wearing, but it is pretty long wearing. It's very comfortable. I think these smell really good too. Yeah, they smell really good. They smell like, I want to say they smell more like argan oil, but they smell really good. They have jojoba, argan oil, and vitamin E in it, so there we go. But yeah, let's just get into these lip swatches, and yeah, here they are. Okay guys, so I really love every single one of these colors, but this was really like fun. I have not done a lip swatch video in so long, so I'm so glad I really love this collection from NICKA. Definitely go check them out. They'll be linked in the description, and I will see you in my next video.
This game get fun. Top of God, that's a liability. Hit the gas, boosting my adrenaline, be fine. Percocet.